Izosiezo inagwanguro, something that you couldn't tell your husband. Came watch chapter na TikTok. Live stream. Na go. If you learn a digger or online. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the VI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, one woman put on a TikTok when nya tiwako ebonsube ko si eje ko si ana with umuwoke with ogia or go na lolo on office. I don't need to say much about this video. You need to see it for yourself. Ki we no ka wan isi we ope onu ya we na feel na dia or online. Imagonda na say na my husband is not in any social media. Umuwoke need the kwedi na no na social media and keep baza because if I na afọ kanjo social media nazo nebu. Social media nazo nebu. Imakuye men, why we watch up on TikTok when I call that's no ne date or gay an office. Anyway, ni hoje kuli fa makana dia na social media con. Okay, we say nia no bo. Anyway, take a look at this video and see for yourself.
TikTok pour parler de ma vie privée et tu dis que tu es sorti avec un de mes frères. Je tiens à te dire, avec un de mes collègues, je tiens à te dire, partout où tu es, tu restes là-bas et je ne veux plus te voir chez moi, quel qu'en soit avec un membre de ma famille ou qui que ce soit. Donc, je tenais à te le dire, reste là où tu es, je ne veux plus te revoir chez moi. Un point, c'est tout. Pourquoi? Tu montes dans un panel TikTok pour parler de ma vie privée et tu dis...
Et na yana video, il faut no French castle. Man, and then the marriage annulment. Even when they buy feel no so outside I kabar na no for that so oh I have asked say baba a man boss say last apostle. Okay, so you mean men and was there for people that don't understand. This woman came live on TikTok and was washing her dirty linen, telling people on live stream that she's dating her boss in the office. Right, that she's dating the guy, the man or the guy, whoever. You okay? That the husband is not in any social media. Do you know what happened? Somebody now alerted the husband and told him, "Oga, Inidi, come out here online and see for yourself what's your woman, your wife." Why this woman did not care about the in-laws. He did not. First of all, this person doesn't have any respect for herself. He doesn't have respect for parents. He doesn't have respect for her siblings and the husband, because before you start having respect for your husband, you've got to have respect for, you have to respect yourself enough and respect your marriage and respect your vows before you start coming out online and start watching, because a lot of people want respect. Na course if abu na enwero mkpali ebedi, you know, immediate your gage na no office una na apit on office isuzuale say bata no no na enene moke don't moke get away with doing whatever they are doing, but telling your business online, somebody now, you can imagine somebody telling a man, hi okay, oh sorry daddy, sorry sir, oh where what the guy won't match up online, where wala anya nantia where na no ife nwanye na akọ ichiebu onya ke o ife aka ndobe no hi na ndị mmadụ na akakwa obi wee kogide kosia. After the man now say okay, do you know this man now say I know they do again. You know, it's actually nice when the people the innocents are released from prison, because prison, like the guy just so he just decided that I'm going to leave. And if this person now leave this union, this marriage, would you tell the person, hey, it's not good to do this thing to you? Well, one day I better defend the woman, you know. When they be defend the, you know, women start making these statements. They put on your prayers, do this one, do the other one. Maybe he's the king of malice and all that. That aside, but the secret you cannot tell your own husband. You now decided to come out here online. Udiala na happen na TikTok. O when kenje one day nya akogide fana akọ nya anapo ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ifes ju phone ọ dịka ịchọzie ịma ihe na-eme n'ụwa jezie na TikTok nke ikpeazụ efu emepe TikTok ewe dozie obodo mana ife ndị ba ejizie na-eme nya fatọnụ ya faji ekpodie isi naanị If you're not watching Palaver, you're missing out. A lot of things are happening in the world. And if you, as a guy man, just, you need to create accounts. Account somewhere. Online. Online. Because know how. Facebook, Kafia, TikTok, Instagram will tell you people you know and people you may know. Go diesel. Reject and they choro. But you need to know what is going on. You need to know whether you are married to your own enemy or married to somebody's enemy or married whatever. So if you're not watching Palaver, you're missing out. I'm your girl Bella on this episode. However you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. Because I know you people will have a lot to say. Subscribe and peace out.